All right, all right, all right. Let's do another little experiment for you guys. What do we have here? Well, we got, yeah, yeah, that's what we got. Shockadoos. So we have a neon light bulb. Leedskalnin's PMH. These are wound the opposite direction. Let's back up. You ready, guys? All right. This is the Instigator right here. This is a rubber band running from a fan motor from a microwave with a pulley on it with a rubber band. I got a metal collector down bottom, which I send right to ground. Sending it to ground. So on this rubber band, on one half we have a positive, and the other half we have a negative. And I believe right now the negative comes up, comes around, is collected over here, and the positive, I believe, is, well, well, hmm. Things that make you go, hmm. Let's talk about that. So, electrons are negatively charged. Positive is what? If an electron is a negatively charged particle, then that means the atom of that electron would be the combination of a neutral and a positive. So this thing here is pushing out electrons out of the top. So is it positively charged or negatively charged? Is there such thing as a positive electron or a negative electron? Leave your comments. I know what the answer is, but I'm bringing it up because what you see here is a Van de Graaff rubber band Wimshurst type of thing here. And it is pushing out positive charge out of the top, negative charge out of the bottom. The negative is being dumped. The positive is being brought through this wire, collected up in this capacitor. Now this capacitor here, I'm going to say, is, I haven't checked the capacitance on it, but it has a lot of storage because just from putting a dead short across the outside layer and the inside layer, you'll see a good 1-inch spark come across, and more aggressive now that it's not raining. So it comes out of there. I'm not even touching the outside. The outside is absorbing the opposite charge of what I have on the inside. So I'm bringing in free energy in, attaching itself to that plate that's being brought up inside and coming down this yellow wire. This yellow wire here comes over to Leedskalnin's PMH. The way I got this set up right here, we'll do a couple demonstrations with this, and then you can leave your comments. Please leave your comments. I want you to understand what's going on here without telling you what's going on. So follow me here. So we're coming in on the black, which is this side. And we're coming into the start of this. And it's wound, it comes back out, the end comes out, sits right here. Over here, the start is connected to the end of this guy. Comes out of this coil to the very end, we have it sitting right here. Now, there's a few things going on here, and I know why and what's causing it, But with this PMH, you have a lot of inductance, lots of inductance versus my little PMH or even a little toroid, which would have less inductance. So by having a lot of inductance, we're going to show you the phenomenons that's going on by having too much inductance. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the lights out. I'll be putting my hands up towards this light. You'll see the light lighten up. We're going to take, I'm going to get my stuff out while I can see. We're going to take an LED and we're going to connect that LED. Oh, we already have one, to an alligator clip. Alright, and I'm not even touching the LED this time. We're going to bring it in proximity and you're going to see the LED lighten up. On second half, I have third half, second half, fifth half. I have a neocadescent. Now everybody's going to look at that and say, ha 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 ha, are you kidding me? Yeah, I am kidding you. I want you, it's going to be dark. So I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to be holding it up towards this wire. It's only this wire. You're going to see sparks come through the center and come up to my fingers in all directions. And you're going to see, like I'm using a Tesla coil with the blue aura coming up. So we're going to put that there. And I also have a 2-foot fluorescent. And we'll put that across. So I'm going to have to get my bearings here. And then also, we are going to, we'll leave it there. That's enough for you guys. All right, you guys ready? So pulling the light off. Bam. So, I can't see. But right now, I am touching the front end of that light. Okay? Man, I gotta adjust my eyes here. Alright, it's coming to me now. Here's the 2-foot. You see the 2-foot is lighting up. Here's the 2-foot. Alright. It's a little hard to see here like this. Jesus. I gotta adjust my eyes. Not too good. Alright, so I have the little neon with the little LED. The LED is lit right now. You can see the LED is lighting up. There's the LED. Shit, I gotta put some light on. Sorry guys. This is a little crazy. Alright, so let's put the backlights on here. Alright, so we have edge wheel lit up. Let's come back over here, you can see more. Okay, so we're gonna grab, let's grab the LED. The LED you can see here is on this. I'm not gonna touch it. We're gonna bring it over here, and wirelessly it's lit up. It's not even touching anything, okay? If come over here, you can see some light. It's not touching anything. The LED's lit up. Alright. And you can see my finger is making the LED, or making the neon light up. Fluorescent bulb, I mean. And let's go ahead and take this incandescent, and I'm going to bring it over here. Maybe we got to pull this out. But by pulling that out, Alright, you can put it over here. See if I can block some of the light. You can see it lighten up. I'm just putting it over the copper wire. Alright, you see it lighten. You see it light if I touch over here. Okay. You see it light over here if I touch over here. If I take this 2-foot bulb, put it in the middle, you can see it's lighting up a little bit there. It'll light up there. It'll light when I go near that. Okay, that's a pretty big bulb to light. And right here are the incandescent. It's really tricky. You have to really see if I can have you see it. You see that? I know you just seen that one. It's like lightning inside the bulb. It's hard to do. It's really hard to do with the phone. Guys, so forgive me for a little darkness, but if I get one good shot, at least you'll have it. Yeah. Well, I'll stop on that one. But you can see the gist of this. We block that light. If you sit on the top, it just lights up. So we got wireless charging there. So we got a PMH acting crazy. Look, I'll just sit that there all by itself. And every time I touch the front of it, it'll light up. It's crazy how when you add more inductance, you lose the electromagnetic properties. Because what you're seeing here out of an electromagnetic device is that it don't have to be all about electromagnetic. It can also be about electrostatic. And are we converting anything here? No. We're more or less showing that electromagnetic happens through electrostatic. And one thing I didn't show you guys is what happens when I bring earth ground here. Well, what I want to tell you is it holds up this stuck to it. It'll pull it to it and hold it. So there's electromagnetic appears, but how does it appear? How do you turn the electrostatics we're seeing into electromagnetics? Well, the key here is this other wire. Because if you wind and put things in the proper direction, it'll either flow or it'll have resistance on the other end. And an electron spinning in motion going this way is not going to want to come up all of a sudden, hit this red wire, and it's going the other direction. So it's now going to take the outer surface of that wire, and that's where your skin effect comes in. So guys, leave your comments. I hope you appreciate the videos. There's a lot of iron going on with these parts here. Yeehaw! Let's see if we got a good little build-up. So a lot of this has to do with the fact that this guy here is electrostatically collecting ambient air. So remember, whatever I put on the inside